I'm Ted from Everything Attachments, and we're today with the Bradco brand of pallet forks. Now this is your standard skid steer quick attach, which would work on a farm tractor or anything as long as it had the standard quick attach. This is their signature series, which has their name put in them. They will put anybody's name in these forks if you order enough of them. We order enough of them at one time to have our name. We could have Everything Attachments put in here, but it would make it larger. And what it really does, I've seen a lot of these come by on the trucks. I've seen several different names that are put into here, and it really messes up all the places that are cut out in it to make a good see-through fork. Because the best thing that you need on a good set of forks is to be able to see the load that you're going to be using and holding. So we just choose not to have our name put into here because it would take up too much of the space and make it harder for you to see through. So we order these 25 or more at a time to be able to get these at a price that we're able to sell these, reasonable to you. We order all of them with the 4,000 pound tines, 48 inch in length, and they're at a special price just because we're ordering 25 plus at a time. They do make different lengths. They make 36, 42, and a 4,000 pound fork at 48s. Then they go up, they do have a 60 and a 72, which are a 6,200 pound lifting capacity. So this frame is really heavy built because they also put that 6,200 pound fork on this exact same frame. And when we turn this around, I'm going to show you some of the extra weight that's in this frame to make it strong. Now, they have a patent on this D-ring by putting this on their pallet forks, and that makes it nice if you're unloading a truck, then you've got something to hook to pull it to the back of the truck where you can get it with your forks. And or you may be loading something that's tall and a little bit unstable, and it would give you a place to hook a ratchet strap or something around your load to secure it better. So turn me on around here, Peanut. This does have the standard forklift style of latch on it, which is kind of a cam system. You basically just lift it up and turn it and then slide it to where you want to, flip it back, and it'll go down and locks into place with all the different notches. This is a newly redesigned set of forks from Bradco. They've done a really good job of taking this piece of 3/8 steel and cutting it out before it's formed, and then welding it down here to what is a 5/8 piece of steel where your pin hooks are gonna go. So with all this steel, that's what you need for a 6,200 pound set of forks, which could be put on this same frame. Bradco's been around forever. It's a great company. They've also added and have quite a bit of angle on here instead of being a flat plate. So on the larger farm tractors that don't have a lot of rollback and some of the skid steers, so if you're on flat land, it gives you the ability to tilt your load back against this backrest further because this is on an angle. Comes with a nice foot stop here to get in and out of your machine. We hope you'll make all your purchases at Everything Attachments. Give us a call or an email. We'll be happy to price you the other forks if you need them. But this will be probably the only set that's on our internet just because of the volume and us having them in stock for next day shipping.